this video, we're going to look at the words fewer and less and the problems that people have with these two words. So, first of all, what is the correct sentence? People have fewer money to spend on holidays. People have less money to spend on holidays. Hit the pause button if you need to think about it. The correct sentence is the second sentence, less money. There are fewer working people. There are less working people. The correct sentence, the first one, fewer. We get fewer water here during the summer. We get less water here during the summer. Correct sentence is the second sentence, less water. People are choosing to have fewer children. People are choosing to have less children. The correct sentence is the first one, fewer children. These solutions should lead to less problems. These solutions should lead to fewer problems. The correct sentence is the second sentence, fewer problems. So why is this? So we use less with uncountable nouns, such as water. We use fewer with countable nouns, such as people. So, for example, with less, you can have less water, less money, less time. We can't count water, money, or time. They are uncountable nouns, so we use less. We use fewer with countable nouns like problems. Fewer problems, fewer people, and fewer children, because you can count people and you can count children. It is certainly true that some native speakers will make mistakes with this. I've often heard native speakers say less people, less children, but that's grammatically incorrect. You should say fewer people, fewer children, because they are countable nouns. And that is the difference between fewer and less. If you would like to have a go at some practice exercises, then go to the description for this video and click on the link to the practice exercises, and good luck.